When designing our startups or businesses landing page, our aim is to make our site visually appealing and user-friendly. And alignment plays an important role as it helps us create a balance between the content and the layout. Just so you have an idea of what that alignment looks like, we will go over a few examples. For the first example, which one do you think is better? The elements to our right or the elements to our left? To our left, everything looks neatly organized. The spacing looks perfect along with the alignment. However, to our right, things are all over the place. We see no alignment or order. Although the four squares on both sides are exactly the same, the only difference is how they got aligned and also their spacing. And that made the difference of having an eye-catching design and a design that is too unattractive. The same pattern can be seen across our second example and also our third example. So you might be asking yourself, how can you make sure things are aligned properly? And the answer is by adding layout grids for your design. Let's add a new page and create a new frame. Select on desktop. And under design, select on the option that says layout grid and select on layout grid settings and convert this from grid to columns. Change the count from 5 to 12. And we see that there's no space between the ends. So let's change the margins for the columns to 140 and the getter to 30. Adding a layout grid will allow you to have a clear frame of reference that helps you stay aligned. For example, we can create a nav bar and make sure everything is aligned. We can have a text for our logo. And we can have an image placeholder and align that to our text paragraphs. And last, we can add a line at the bottom. As you can see, by adding layout grids, we were able to have proper alignment, proper spacing, and that helped us create a balance between the content and the layout. In summary, having an alignment ensures that all elements are aligned to each other, which will make sure that your landing page or website looks more professional and tidy. For more details on grid, I have included a reference created by Figma about layout grids. This grid values were selected based on a great web designer, Vaco.